Want to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram? Here's how to disable it step by step. First, open Instagram. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Accounts Center. Next, tap Password and Security. Now tap Two-Factor Authentication. Choose your Instagram account from the list. Under How You Get Login Codes, select the method you're currently using like text message or authentication app. Now toggle it off. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Turn Off to confirm. And that's it. Two-factor authentication is now disabled on your Instagram account. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.